નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 13 adjectives demonstrative possessive. As you know students, in our previous video we completed demonstrative adjectives, teaching points and exercise. Now today we have to understand about possessive adjective and it's related to exercise. Okay, so let's start our study related to possessive adjective. What is a possessive adjective and how it is used, just we have to see in this video. First of all, possessive adjectives definition is given here. See, possessive adjectives are those which point out the position of an object by someone or something. What is the possessive adjective? Can you identify possessive adjective? Possessive adjective are those which point out the position of an object. Possession. First of all, we have to understand that term. Possession means what? Possession means in Gujarati we can say that maliki. It shows the position of any object or thing. Whose thing is that? Possession. For example, we can say that it is my marker. It is my marker. Here we can show the position. Maliki batave chhe. It shows the position of my marker. It shows the position of my. Okay? Or Ravi's book. So here Ravi's position is shown. So we can show the position. So that type of possessive adjective is used. Possessive adjectives are those which point out the position of an object by someone or something. वो चीज किसकी है वो पोजेशन दिखाता है, ऐसा एडजेक्टिव नॉन possessive adjective. This type of adjectives are known as possessive adjective. Here we have to show the position of an object by someone or something. They are similar to possessive pronouns. As you learn in your lower classes about possessive pronouns, same way possessive adjective is the same, but both have some little bit different is that. Little bit different between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective have. Just we have to see, understand about it. The chief difference between a possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun is that possessive adjective are used before nouns as modifying words. One major difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective is that possessive adjective is used before noun to modify that noun. Means in simple language, we can say that possessive adjective always followed by a noun. पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव के बाद हमेशा के लिए नाउन फॉलो होता है, मगर पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन के पीछे कभी नाउन फॉलो नहीं होता. इट इज नॉन नेवर. सो मेजर डिफरेंस यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड while using possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective always followed by a noun, but possessive pronoun have not noun after that. So it is a major difference you have to keep in mind. Which example we have to understand about it? Example is given here. The students have all completed their homework. Which is here possessive adjective or possessive pronoun? Can you find out? Here, there, T-H-E-I-R. There is used as a possessive adjective. How can I say that it's possessive adjective? Because after there, homework noun is followed. After there, homework noun is followed there, so we can say that there is used as a possessive adjective here, because after that it followed by noun. If any adjective, possessive adjective followed by always noun is there after possessive adjective. Keep in mind. Second example we have to understand. Here homework possession is given here. Their homework, here we can show the position of noun or object. Homework, but whose homework? Their homework. So we can show the position here. So here possessive adjective there is used. Now second example is given here. The castle belongs to the Malcolm. Is the garden also there? Here possessive pronoun there is given here. But see, difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun is there. After possessive pronoun there were no noun. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. मीन्स के पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन के बाद नाउन नहीं फॉलो होता है. पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव के बाद नाउन और नाउन फॉलो होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? कीप इन माइंड बोथ डिफरेंट. मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन एंड पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव इज दैट एडजेक्टिव ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय नाउन. But on other side, possessive pronoun do not follow any noun after that. Keep in mind both things. Here there is possessive pronoun. Here there is possessive adjective because it is followed by the noun. Understand, student? So here I list given possessive adjectives list is given here. If subject pronoun I, we, you, he, she, it or they arise, then what is the possessive adjective of that pronoun? I's possessive adjective is my, we's, you, we का possessive adjective our होता है, you का possessive adjective your, he का possessive adjective his होता है, she का possessive adjective her होता है, it का possessive adjective its and they का their होता है. So you have to keep in mind that table permanently. You have to understand permanently that table. Possessive adjective I का my होता है, we का our, you का your, he का his, she का her, it का its and they का their होता है. So you have to keep in mind that column permanently in your mind. Okay? My, our, your, his, her, its, that. You have to keep in mind all the things possessive adjective completely. Okay? इसका possessive adjective क्या होता है वो आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. So keep in mind that column. Okay? Here student possessive adjective teaching point over. Now related to that we have to do exercise. Now students we have to do exercise related to possessive adjective. In our previous screen, we studied about possessive adjectives teaching points. Now based on that, we have to do exercise C. Exercise C's heading is given here. Pick out the possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns and arrange them in the table given below. Here in your textbook, 10 sentences is given. From that sentences we have to find out the possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns and we have to write in the table given below. That side, left side, just we have to write make a list of possessive pronouns. Here in right side we have to make a list of possessive adjectives. Here sentence number I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 10. So all the sentence number I write. If in that sentence possessive pronouns is there, then we have to write here. If possessive adjective is there, we have to write that side. That's where we have to complete our exercise C. Okay? So just open your grammar textbook, page number 51. Exercise C we have to do. Just I read the sentence from your textbook. From that sentence, we have to find out possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. Okay? So let's start our exercise. First sentence I read from your textbook. Just open your textbook and keep attention there with me. What I say. First sentence is given here. Shylock was angry at his daughter. She had chosen her own husband. First sentence is given here. Shylock was angry at his daughter. She had chosen her own husband. From that sentence, first of all, we have to find out which is a possessive adjective and which is possessive pronoun. Here in Shylock was angry at his daughter. Here one possessive adjective is given here. His daughter. See here, after his daughter followed. I told you that whenever possessive adjective arises, after that possessive adjective, noun always followed. Here daughter is noun, before daughter his is added. So here his is considered as a possessive adjective. So his we have to write here as an under possessive adjective. We are talking about first sentence. So first word his is given here as an possessive adjective. Second part of that sentence is given here. She had chosen her own husband. Here her is given, but after her own husband means noun followed. So we can say that here her is used as an possessive adjective. So what we have to put here? Here her also. So in first sentence we got two possessive adjectives, his and her. This way you have to complete whole the table in your textbook. Okay, this way you have to complete. His and her both is possessive adjectives in first sentence. Now second sentence we have to see. Second sentence is given that your inheritance is still entangled in legal process. Your inheritance is still entangled in legal procedure. Which is possessive adjective or pronoun? From that sentence we have to find out. Here see student, your inheritance, your word is used. Your means after your inheritance noun followed. After your inheritance noun followed. So what we have to put? Your is considered as a possessive adjective here. In second sentence we have to write here your as an possessive adjective. As a possessive adjective. So here second sentence one possessive adjective we find out your. Now third sentence we have to see. Third sentence. This house belongs to us. You are welcome here. This house belongs to us. You are welcome here. From that we can find out one possessive form is given here. Us. You as us is given here. But after us, there were no noun followed by us. So we can say that here us is used as an possessive pronoun. So third sentence we have to write in that box us, because us is possessive pronoun here in third sentence. In your third sentence possessive pronoun us is used. Now fourth sentence we have to see. Sentence number 4. The cupboard on the right is his. Do not touch it. The cupboard on the right is his. Do not touch it. Here, his is used as a possessive form, but we have to decide it is pronoun or it is adjective. So here, his, after see here, after his no noun is followed. His is last word of that sentence. After his, full stop is followed. So we can say that here his is used as an possessive pronoun. So we have to put his here in fourth sentence possessive pronoun. His is used as a possessive pronoun here in our fourth sentence. Now fifth sentence we have to see. Sentence number 5th we have to understand. Fifth sentence is given here. My decisions, whether right or wrong, are mine and mine alone. My decisions, whether right or wrong, are mine and mine alone. Here first word mine is given here. After my decision noun is followed. After my decision is followed. So we can say that in sentence number 5th, my is followed. So we can say that my is possessive adjective here. But other thing is given in that sentence is there mine and mine. Here 2 times mine came, but mine and mine. After mine and mine, no noun is followed. So we can say that mine and mine, both words are possessive pronoun. So in fifth sentence we have to write also mine, comma, second mine. So mine and mine is possessive pronoun and mine is possessive adjective in sentence number 5. We can say that. Now sentence number 6 we have to see. Sentence number 6 we have to see. Is this is yours? I am surprised at your handwriting. Is this is yours? I am surprised at your handwriting. Here yours in first sentence, after yours question mark sign followed. So we can say that here yours is used as a possessive pronoun. So we have to write here possessive pronoun was yours. After that, in second sentence, means in continuing second part of that sentence, sixth sentence, I am surprised at your handwriting. Here your word is used, but after your handwriting, noun followed. We can say that here your is possessive adjective. So in possessive adjective box, we have to write your in sixth sentence. Your. Can you understand, student? Here one yours is possessive pronoun and second your is possessive adjective. Now sentence number 7 we have to see. Sentence number 7 is given. His treasured as his steps were unsteady due to heavy drinking. His treasures as his steps were unsteady due to heavy drinking. Here his steps is given here. His word is given here. But he is followed by the noun steps. So we can say that here his is used as an adjective. So in adjective box, 7th number we have to write his here. We have to write his here as an adjective. Now sentence number 8 we have to see. Sentence number 8 is given here. My habits are not perfect, but they are better than yours. My habits are not perfect, but they are better than yours. Here first sentence started with my habits. Here my followed by habits noun. So we can say that my is here. My is used in 8th number sentence. My is used as adjective. Possessive adjective my is used in sentence number 8. After that last word yours is given. Yours do not follow any noun. We can say that yours is used here as a possessive pronoun. So here in 8th number, here yours is considered a possessive pronoun. So in 8th number sentence, 2 words we find out, yours and mine. Mine possessive adjective and yours is possessive pronoun here. Now sentence number 9 we have to see. Sentence number 9. Their native place is Afghanistan, as you can judge by their clothes. Their native place is Afghanistan, as you can judge by their clothes. Here, their native place. Their word is given here. Their native place. After that, noun followed, native place. Okay? Noun followed. So we can say that here, there in 9th sentence. Sentence number 9, there is used as a possessive adjective. 9 number here. There. We have to write. Second word is given here. By their clothes. At last we see that. By their clothes here. There is also followed by clothes. Noun. So we can say that second there is also possessive adjective. So we have to write both there in that sentence, in that box possessive adjective. Now sentence number 10 we have to see. Sentence number 10 is given here. Be accurate in your efforts and victory will be yours. Here, be accurate in your efforts and victory will be yours. Your efforts. Here, your is followed with noun. Efforts is given here. So we have to write first your in possessive adjective box. Your we have to write here in 10th sentence. Then second yours is given on last number. Will be yours. Here after yours, no noun is followed. So we can say that last yours is given as possessive pronoun. So in possessive pronoun 10th number we have to write here yours. Can you understand, student? So here our exercise C over. Just you have to complete exercise C. as I completed on the board. Same way you have to write in your box, given box with pencil. Okay students, here our exercise C over. After that, exercise D is given on back side. Just you have to complete it with yourself as an homework. Just complete it. It's a very easy because it is dependent on the table we learn in teaching points. Okay, so just try to complete exercise D at home with yourself. Okay, just complete it, very easy thing. If you have a doubt and question related to exercise D, just you can ask me in Zoom class. Okay, you can ask me at Zoom class. Just complete exercise D at home yourself. With that, here our lesson number 13, adjectives, demonstrative, possessive, we completed. Remaining lessons we have to see in our next video.
Thank you for joining us